Hey guys, welcome to Gizmo Times. This is Chetan and this is the coverage of the MWC 2018, and this video is about the two flagships from Samsung, the Samsung Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus. Both the phones are quite similar with the design, but there are some important differences between them. One of them being the screen size and then the camera combination on the back. The phone comes in different color variants, but here what we are seeing is the purple variant. And as you can notice on the back, the fingerprint sensor has finally changed its position. Now it's moved to below the camera and not beside the camera, and that is a very good change for the users. And on the front, this is the difference between the screen sizes. There's 5.8 inch screen for the Samsung Galaxy S9 and there's 6.2 inch QHD plus display. The resolution is same on both of them, but 6.2 inch on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. This is the Samsung's TouchWiz UI, which they aren't calling us TouchWiz in this one, and it's based on Android Oreo. And these are the different pre-installed apps that you see here: voice recorder, SmartThings, and there's a lot of IoT support given in this. And these are the other pre-installed applications such as Samsung Pay, which takes its place just like how it was on the Samsung Galaxy S8. Now going into the about section, this information about the Galaxy S9 shows you the model number, and then it is based on the Android Oreo 8.0 and it's Samsung Experience version 9. These are the different other settings what you see here. And getting into the advanced features, there's a lot to offer for the better user experience. Smart Stay, game mode, one-handed mode, finger sensor gestures, there's cameras quick launching, smart alert, easy mode, swipe to call, and dual messenger as well, video enhancer and touch sensitivity options given for the better user experience. Getting into the lock screen settings, if you see, there are two options here: face recognition for your face and then iris scanner. You can use both together as well if you want an enhanced security for your smartphone. Apart from that, if you see, this is the device maintenance section where usually Samsung allows you to make the phone faster and even cleaner. For the storage here, this is a 64 GB variant and there's 17.1 GB used. About 49 GB is available for the user in the end. And the Galaxy S9 comes with 4 GB of RAM, while the Galaxy S9 Plus comes with 6 GB of RAM. So this is the S9 that we are using. So you see 2.1 GB being used and 1.3 GB is available for the user. And this is the Galaxy S9's camera. The camera is one of the major highlights of this smartphone. Not just this, but also of the S9 Plus. Selective focus, where you see different aperture sizes, f1.5 and f2.4, which can be switched between, and that is the variable aperture that is for the first time in any smartphone in the recent times. You can see that the aperture is changing here on the back camera, and this is not just for the S9 but also for the primary sensor of the S9 Plus. The secondary sensor on the S9 Plus is a 12 megapixel one with the f2.4 aperture. The selfie camera is same on both of them, having an 8 megapixel camera with the f1.7 aperture, and the video size that can be captured here is quad HD video with the front facing camera, but with the rear facing camera you can capture 4K videos at 60 fps. AR emoji is something new again on the Galaxy S9, taking cues from Apple, but then this is quite fun, and there are different AR emojis that you can use here, set them up for your particular face, and the expressions that you show, they show up on the same emojis. So this is the rear camera video recording where you can capture up to 4K videos at 60 fps. And there's super slow motion. Again, this is at 720 fps where you get 960 fps. That's the slow motion speed, which was even on the Sony's new flagships, and that is also with the 720p resolution. This is Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus with a dual lens rear camera, a bit larger and a bit taller than the Galaxy S9. And on the bottom is the USB Type-C port and a stereo speaker just beside to it. And this the 3.5mm headset jack. This is something worth a mention because most of the smartphones are now moving to wireless audios or the Type-C audios, and there's no headset jack being offered, but Samsung has still stuck to that, and that is a good thing. And this is the variable aperture that you see on the S9 Plus primary camera, and this is the switching between f1.5 and f2.4. And this is all about the Samsung Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus that will launch yesterday at the Unpacked event, and they are being showcased at the MWC 2018 event. Stay tuned for more videos from Mobile World Congress and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thank you for watching.